Hi guys, so welcome to the Weekend of Challenge 21. This is the part 5. And in the Weekend of Challenge 19, I think, 19, we had seen the social media feature expansion. So to add, to like a post, to add comment, etc. So this is again the same thing. This is part 2 of that. So here we'll be implementing along with the likes and this, we will be implementing the enhanced version. That is, we have to create and edit post as well from scratch. So in that we had the existing post, but in this we can create the post as well. So this is divided into two parts. The first one is designing the React UI. Second one is implementing REST API, so we can add and edit post. So in this, what we have to do is create a post with title and content, edit existing post directly from the UI, update the feed dynamically after creating or editing posts. All right. So let me see. Let us jump into the code. We have a function app where we have this multiple state variables. You can see all the state variables one by one here. Post and set post is for modifying it. Comment inputs, new post, loading, editing post, and edit content. So these are the state variables we have. We have to try to connect with the backend dynamically. Now after that, we have a function fetch post. So it tries to connect to the backend with the post, and if it is connected, then it tries to convert that into JSON, and then it set post with the data. If it doesn't connect, then it says error fetching posts. Now after that, we have an empty array for fetching post. So here we have to map it with the updated post ID and the post ID. So you can see here for to replace post, that is basically to update a post, we have to map the old post ID with the new, like the same post ID with the new post. So that is being done in this particular part. And now we have the handle like. So in this handle like, we have to take the post ID, and then it tries to connect to the backend and get the data. So uh, So now, okay, my bad. So when you give the post ID with the handle like, so it tries to increment one what do you call, like, with the in the backend. So it uses post to put the data into the backend. So with the updated again, once it updated, it waits for that to get converted into JSON and come. So now after that, we have to set the previous post is basically replace post is previous and updated. So how do you call the set post function? Is basically replace post is the new thing where the previous and updated is mentioned. So with the previous post and updated, it is mentioned, so it will automatically update. So now if there's an error, then we say error liking post. The same thing we have for the comment section as well. So initially it is empty. We have to add a comment, and using post we insert that, and we have the content type as well, which is JSON, the text. Now again the same thing happens here also. It tries to update with the replace the post with the old and the new comment, like the old post with added comment, so it becomes the new post. Now handle create post, we have a function handle create post. So when you click on the handle create handle post, then it is called. Now we have to first set loading as true. Basically it says posting or something like that. Now we have to try to convert it into the like post it into the backend, the new post. So again you have to convert it into string, stringify new post. After that we have to wait for the response. Like basically you have to wait for the JSON object for it to get converted to JSON object, and then the same thing, it says created post, and then the previous is gone. Now, after that, again the title and content becomes empty. If there's any error, then it says fail to connect to the server. And then finally, after it is done, it finally sets the set loading to false. Now, we have to, that is start editing and cancel editing. So when you click on start editing, you can edit the title and the content of the post. And when you click on stop cancel editing, then it is set back to null. Now, so after we start editing, we have to save that edit. So we use the method put to put the data into the backend. So to save that there, with the post ID, we have the post ID, and then whatever editing we have done to the title and all, we have posting it there. Now after that, if the R is okay, basically if it is executed properly, if it is okay. If it is not, then we say error saving post. Whatever error we have, we show that. After that, we have again the same thing for updated post as well. We have to put the old and the new, so the post is updated automatically. So initially the set edit post is null, and then after that set edit is basically the new content with the new title is mentioned here. Now we have the UI. So this is again basic. Create a new post, and the type is text, and a placeholder, again it says post title. Now after that it says what's on your mind. Basically that is for entering the text, what is on your mind. And then when you click on submit, the loading from post or posting automatically gets updated to post, so after it is posted. Now That's it, I guess. Now we have the edit mode. So basically, if you can edit the title in from this part, and this is text area, editing text area, and basically from the old text it becomes the new whatever updated text. After that, you have a save button. So when you click on that save button, you can save it. Now one more is cancel. So when you click on cancel, it is automatically uh, reverted. Now, if you display the post title and the content, so how do we do that? Is basically we have the handle like function. So you can handle like, when you click on like, the post like is basically it is handle like. So one like is increased automatically. The same thing for editing as well. So you have option for edit, and when you click on that button, you automatically go to start editing. Now the comment, the same thing, where the date is also mentioned for the comment, whatever is the current date, whatever the time the comment was added. Now handle submit button, where when you click on submit, it is automatically added. Let me click on run. This was quite a big program, to be honest. So I'm gonna create a post. I will say post title is Code Chef. Code Chef is a great platform. I'll create this and I'll create on post. So it failed to connect to the server because we have not yet added the server. So when the next part, you'll be seeing all the how do you actually connect it to the server and all. So so you can solve the test have passed, and that's it for this video. In the next last video.